If you have installed Zoom on iPhone and created an account, you can create a scheduled meeting. If you need help on these steps, please check the description for more videos about Zoom. To schedule a meeting, just tap Schedule button from the top. Here, you can give a name for your meeting. You can also select a start time for the meeting and duration for this. You can make so this meeting will repeat depending on your needs. If you will enable Use Personal ID, the meeting ID will be the same as your account. If not, every time you start the meeting, the ID will reset and generate a new one. Also, you can set up a password if you wish here. You can disable also the password for the meeting if you want. After that, you can set up that the video for the host to be on and also the video for the participants. After you have selected all of the options you wish to, just tap Done from the top. Now you can add this new schedule meeting to your calendar, so you will not forget. After you do the adjustments on this event, just tap Add. To start the schedule meeting, just tap on Meetings from the bottom. Here, just tap Start for the meeting. Here, tap on Call using Internet Audio to activate the microphone. If you tap on the three dots and select Meeting Settings, you can set up more options for this meeting. There are a lot of useful features like Mute on Entry, so that users have audio disabled on entry. Also, other options like Allow Person to Chat. You can check them as the options are quite well explained. After this, just tap Done. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.